Top 7 foods that are bad for your heart, you didn't know. More than half of bacon's calories come from saturated fat, which can raise your low-density lipoprotein (LDL) or bad cholesterol, and boost your chance of a heart attack or stroke. It's full of salt, which bumps up your blood pressure and makes your heart work harder. High amounts of sodium, the main part of salt, can lead to stroke, heart disease, and heart failure. Bacon's added preservatives are linked to these problems as well. Red meat. Eating too much beef, lamb, and pork may raise your odds for heart disease and diabetes. It may be because they are high in saturated fat, which can boost cholesterol. More recent studies point to how gut bacteria process a part of the meat called L-carnitine. Limit your portions. Also, look for lean cuts like round, sirloin, and extra lean ground beef. Soda. Having small amounts of added sugar is not harmful, but a can of soda has more added sugar than experts recommend for a whole day. Soda drinkers tend to gain. Baked goods. Cookies, cakes, and muffins should be rare treats. They are typically loaded with added sugar, which leads to weight gain. They are also linked to higher triglyceride levels, and that can lead to heart disease. Their main ingredient is usually white flour, which may spike your blood sugar and make you hungrier. Make healthier treats. Swap in whole wheat flour, trim the sugar, and use liquid plant oils instead of butter or shortening. Processed meats. Hot dogs, sausage, salami, and lunch meat are the worst types of meats for your heart. They have high amounts of salt, and most are high in saturated fat. When it comes to deli meats, turkey is better for you than salami because it does not have the saturated fat. But it still has a fair amount of sodium, so it is not as heart healthy as fresh sliced turkey breast. White rice, bread, and pasta. Rice, bread, pasta, and snacks made from white flour are missing their healthy fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Refined grains quickly convert to sugar, which your body stores as fat. A diet high in refined grains can cause belly fat, which studies link to heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Try to get at least half your grains from whole grains like brown rice, oats, and whole wheat. When you shop, look for the words 100% whole grain. Pizza. Pizza can be healthy if you make it the right way, but most takeout pizza and frozen pies have staggering amounts of sodium, fat, and calories, all of which can raise your risk of a heart attack. When you order out, opt for a thin crust, whole wheat if possible, ask for less cheese, pile on the veggies, and skip the pepperoni or sausage, which are loaded with salt. For the most heart-healthy pizza, make it yourself. Alcohol. Moderate drinking won't harm your heart unless you have high blood pressure or high triglycerides, a type of fat in your blood that can boost your odds of heart disease. Heavy drinking, on the other hand, can lead to high blood pressure, heart failure, strokes, and weight gain. So if you don't already drink, don't start.